wife and I were in a restaurant eating, and the waitress came up and started talking about how her wrists started feeling better and this and that. And so I said, she started talking about her husband is selling this product, you know. And I said, well, give me his phone number and I'll call him, and which I did. And he invited me to a meeting, and I came to this meeting because I was having lower back problems. Every morning I'd wake up, my lower back would feel hot and tight and sore. And the first movement when I wake up in the mornings, I would actually cry with pain because that first movement I'd be in that pain. And I came to the meeting, you know, not always leery about these products, you know, but I'm always interested. But I ended up winning a six-pack that night. I don't know if that was planned or not, but I won a six-pack. Well, as I was leaving, I opened up a 10-ounce bottle of this essence, and I drank it down within less than 15 minutes. And I didn't think nothing of it after that. Well, the next morning when I woke up, my first instinct right away, I was thinking, wow, my back feels unusually strong today. And I was telling you, before I was introduced to the product, I was on an inversion table 3 times a day because the muscles in the back always felt like they were too short. They were always tight. So I was on this inversion table 3 times a day. But ever since that morning I woke up after taking that one bottle, I have not been on that inversion table since. And it just helps my back muscles stay in check, you know. But 11 years ago, I broke the ball off my femur, and you know, they screwed it back on, it healed. But it's been 11 years, and I've talked to doctors and nurses saying, oh, 11 years, you're about due for a replacement. It's to a point now where if I carry 100 pounds at 10 feet, I'm shot for the day. But I take the product, and it keeps, I believe it keeps that inflammation down, and it keeps that pain away. So I won't live without this product because there's so much pain relief for me. My mother lives a few states away, and I called her one day, and she sounded really bad, and I said, well, what's going on? You don't feel so good. Well, I've had this cold for 5 weeks, and I can't kick it. I said, well, this is what you do. And so I sent her a 6-pack of the essence. But in 3 days, with her taking 1 ounce a day, her voice started getting better, and she lost that cough that she was having. I called her back 5 days from the day she started her product. She was feeling so much better. Her cough was already gone. And I said, well, what are you doing today? Well, I was outside shoveling the sidewalk. And I said, what? And she said she shoveled 40 feet of sidewalk, and it was 13 below that day too. And she's 80 years old. So she's been on the product ever since too. I've been taking this product for 1.5 years at least. I have not been sick one day in this period. And I actually will not go a day without it. I can't live without this stuff. If I'm not on this product, I'm starting to worry about, I can't work no more. What am I going to do? I'm going to start losing what I've accomplished all these years. And MyLife is keeping me going in life.